Weather starts now with Grant Garland.
Welcome back, everyone. I hope that you have had a fantastic Monday, ready to tackle on Tuesday. Temperatures right now, not quite as hot as what we could have seen and should have seen, all thanks to the smoke. 82-degree temperatures in Great Falls, 84 in Helena, 83 in Lewistown, out towards Glasgow, 74, but 90 degrees still in Jordan and 67 in Cut Bank. So when we're taking a look across Montana, we're seeing, very low visibilities in Helena as well as Lewistown. I mean, look at this. It's almost kind of black out there. In Malta, looking at some hazy conditions, but not so bad as Fort Benton. We are seeing our visibility level 7 miles in Lewistown, 4 miles in Helena, 3 in Missoula, and 1 in both Spokane as well as in Kalispell. Very hazardous conditions, and we're seeing not only the smoke, but we're looking at our air quality down as well as our temperatures going down. Because of this, we're seeing right now unhealthy conditions for those in Missoula as well as Helena and Kalispell. We're seeing unhealthy for sensitive groups, those with respiratory problems in Great Falls as well as Lewistown, and we're seeing moderate conditions right now for those in Malta. And we are expecting to see kind of really the same situation tomorrow with these hazy conditions. Air quality warning is in effect from that was earlier this morning until 8:45 tomorrow morning due to all of this. And we're also seeing right now clouds that have been making their way towards the east. We can't really see it because of all the smoke, but we are also having a fire weather warning in effect until 9 p.m. tonight due to how dry we've been. And we've been able to see some of our winds too pick up. As far as tomorrow goes, with our humidity levels and our elevated fire risk, we are looking at seeing some elevated risk right around the 3 p.m. mark for us here in the Treasure State. But let's break it down even more. All right, Great Falls. We are expecting our driest time to be right around 3:30 when we're seeing 11% humidity. Also for Helena, we're expecting that to be right around the 2:30 mark, and we're seeing 10%. So we are creeping very closely towards those single digits, which is a big problem because any fires that are already ongoing, this can make them even more so, continuing to grow. We are expecting tomorrow possibly 25-mile-per-hour winds gusting, that is. So we need to just make sure that we're doing our part and throwing our cigarettes away properly and not starting any fires. This cold front has been making its way into the area, and that's why we're seeing cooler temperatures right along the high line. As we go into tomorrow, we're going to see the cold front try to creep a little bit more towards the south, and then we're really going to see the effects of this on Wednesday when the cold front really kind of pushes down towards Missoula and Butte and Bozeman. Our temperatures are going to reflect that with our temperatures in the lower 70s. By Wednesday evening, we're going to be looking at mostly sunny skies, but we're still going to have to deal with that haze. Wednesday, 75 degrees, starting to creep back up to around 79 on Friday before dropping down with our next system on Saturday at 71 and 70 on Sunday. Now temperatures tonight dropping down to 50 degrees in Great Falls as well as Helena, 48 in Lewistown, and 44 in Havre. As far as our next 3 days go, we are going to be looking at having to deal with a lot of haze. Even though we're going to see sunny skies, we're going to have to deal with that haze too. Fridays, when the clouds start moving in, we'll have our chances for showers and thunderstorms really on Saturday. And that's the same situation for our friends in Helena too. Hazy conditions for the next 3 days, so we're just going to have to get used to it just for now.